I think that was a very comprehensive evaluation. So for that comprehensive evaluation and the very engrossing, touching and story that had a great message, let us give a big round of applause for the evaluators. Our second speaker was Karnakar, and the evaluator of the speech, Toastmaster Payal Gulani. Please help me in welcoming Payal Gulani.
A very good evening to everyone out here, and particularly Karnakar Dev. Bang on with the title. Whoever agrees with the title, just lift up your hands. Yes? I think we were all in suspense to hear what exactly was the speech was. You came in here and you just mesmerized the audience. By saying mesmerize, what I mean is there was pin drop silence, to be specific. They just wanted to listen to you what exactly was your speech, your opening. You said a friend of yours messages, and this was Friday the 13th last year, looking forward for an exotic trip to Ladakh and Kashmir, right? You came in here and you spoke about a trip where we were all looking forward to what exactly you're going to entertain us with. That was a bang on. Then, moving on, you inculcated the complete rhetorical devices, for example, assembly, where you compared beautiful as a rose, fit as a fiddle, and then you had a triad like, for example, majestic, regal, and exotic places, which you described about Ladakh. Now, anybody say about the three people who helped him in his journey? Three people? I know everybody will remember the doctor other than the doctor. Yeah, I agree with you. Other than the doctor? Yeah, other than that.
The friend in Mumbai.
Okay. Yes, Khalid, yes. So, white. Yes. Yeah, these are the three people. So just remember that this is because they are listening, actively listening to your speech. That is a plus point. The positive areas which I really like about you is your enthusiasm. You come in here, deliver your speech so naturally, they just connect with you immediately, instantly, and that is a part of your speech, not only of you as a speaker. Then all short and clear sentences as the objectives calls for. Words are supposed to be powerful, and crisp sentences, when it is short, you can connect easily. There were no jargons, good usage of the English language, and let me tell you the vivid description which I really like, the wonderful vistas of Ladakh, the beautiful place in Ladakh, when you said majestic, regal, exotic places, and it was so clear that the three people who helped you in your life, it was not just about the trip, but about the people who helped you, whom you were looking forward. So overall, a wonderful speech, and you've gone by the objectives. One area of recommendation which I felt was, you should have paused. It was a little fast in the body of the speech and towards the conclusion. You could have given a few pauses and slow down so that it could be easier, not just for me, but even for the other listeners too. Excellent speech, looking forward for the next speech. Thank you.